Hi and hello guys, welcome to Roadtorque, and we are driving this, the KTM the KTM Adventure 390. Yes, this is the bike. Just coming to the headlamp, you get all LED unit over here, which is a nice touch. You also get a DRL over here. The headlamp is designed in a way that it looks like a triangle. Yeah, that is. I personally love the design. I think it is. Yes. You get disc at the front. Not dual disc. You get only single disc, and the front tire size happens to be around 19 inches. Yes, this is the engine of the vehicle. You also get crash guard over here, and also you get a engine guard over here for the engine. Well, this one is patented from Ducati. Only Ducati and BMW bikes have this kind of engine rods, but nowadays KTM is also having this. So yeah, it's patented from Ducati and KTM. And foot pegs don't get rubber over here, but here it gets rubber, and there is also option for adding rubber in it. You can remove the rubber while you are going off-road. Same the case over here. You get the air filter over here. And this foot pegs, yeah, this one gets rubber. I think the rubber that side have been missed somewhere. Same the case over here. You get rubber over here. And there is no center stand on offer. I think there is only one stand, the side stand. And this is the rear tire. Yeah, it looks a bit broader in terms of size. You also get rear disc. The rear size is around 17 inches. And this is the silencer of the vehicle. Yeah, it's a neat looking unit. I love this silencer personally. Coming to the seat, you get split seats at the rear. So you get split seats at the rear. These seats are very comfortable, super comfortable. You also get a light over here, which is LED though. You also get indicator lamp with LED. Same the case over here. See, you get LED indicator lamp, which is a nice touch. Coming to the horn, these are the switch keys. This one is to control this menu, and this one is to on the horn looks nice. This one is to start and stop the vehicle, and this one is the engine kill switch. Disc brake oil box. Yeah, this one is adjustable. Nice touch. Same the case over here. It's adjustable. The mirror gives a neat view of what's behind you. Same the case. You have a wind shield which protects you from wind blast. I especially love this this meter, which is an all LED unit, digital display, all digital, and no analog one also, which is a nice touch, and it's fantastic really. And this can also change the color. See, this also changes the color to black during night, and at white during day. It also indicate that side stand, and if side stand is on, this vehicle doesn't start here, which is a nice touch. And this is the key of the vehicle. This is the key of the vehicle, and if you insert the key, you get ready to race. Super KTM for this wonderful machine. Here you have the GPS mount. You also get a 12-volt charging socket over here. Nice touch. And the light and the handlebar is a separate unit, and they are not the same unit. See, the handlebar turns separately and light doesn't turn. It's fixed unit. And this is the petrol tank of the vehicle. I especially love the graphics. You also get handle holders for the rear passenger, which is nice to hold, and it's also a steel unit and not the plastic one. You get plastic door in this vehicle. I think this is a different kind of material. It's not looking like a plastic. Yeah, it's not a plastic. And guys, you also get engine crash guard over here, which is a nice touch. You get single suspension for the rear, which also absorbs everything very well on the road. No matter, you get exposed chain, but it's too much exposed. Well, KTM had tried to cover it properly. Nice touch. Yeah. And you get single piece for the gear. Coming to this menu, you get trip, fuel range, you get ABS traction control, speed limiter. You also get cruise control on offer in this vehicle, which is a nice touch. Coming to this engine, the engine will be same as the you see in many of the KTM bikes, but coming to the interiors, you get 373cc BS6 engine mated to a 6-speed gearbox. This engine of 390 Adventure develops a power of 43.5 Nm PS of power and 37 Nm torque. Nice touch. And this one is also a liquid cooled engine. See, you can see the cooler fan over here. Nice touch. Okay, coming to the sound of this vehicle. This is the sound of the vehicle, which sounds very sweet. Hi and hello guys, welcome to Roadtorque, and we are driving this KTM Adventure 390. We are going to launch this vehicle. The performance of this vehicle is really amazing. The stopping power is also very good. 37 PS of power and 37 Newton meter torque on off-road. Just like a full speed after. So really after to take this to double-digit speeds. Full speed to be back safe. Taking this corner, you don't feel any kind of hurry during taking the corner. You just manage to go to the sound of the brake. You just see the sound of this vehicle. I love this sound. I love this sound. It's just very sweet for youngsters, and it sounds very hot for the old people who doesn't like any kind of heavy sounds. Just I will do it once again. I will do it again and again. But no matter, this vehicle doesn't feel heavy. Somehow it feels very light to drive, not too heavy like other bikes. This one is really light in terms of weight, and Headlamp had done really a good job in terms of management, weight management. This vehicle is having superb kind of weight management. You don't feel any kind of heaviness during your drive. This vehicle, it's very light, but in terms of speed, this one is very eager to go. It's very eager to go fast and fast. It says I need power, I need power. That's the only thing this vehicle is ready to do. And there's just one stretch. Crazy around the road, and I'll do it again. I'll do it again. It's really a fantastic sound. I love this sound. अरे भैया देख रहे हैं जाएंगे. take this bike and I'm going to return, and here is my car. I'll return this bike and take my car. Thank you guys for watching. I'm really sorry if my audio quality is very bad, as I don't have a proper mic setup. I will soon buy a mic setup. Thank you so much.